am Mika with Women's History Month. Let's celebrate the legacy of Billie Jean King. She is a famous tennis athlete who is famous for defeating former #1 men's tennis player Bobby Riggins in the Battle of the Sexes match on September 20th, 1973, after Riggins challenged her, claiming the women's league was inferior to the men's. Through her career, she also advocated for equal rights and inspired many women to push for equal pay in all workforces. She was the first woman and tennis player to receive the honor of Sports Illustrated Sportsperson of the Year, the founder of Women's Sports Magazine, and Women's Sports Foundation. She truly served up a career and influence to be proud of, being honored alongside other influential figures such as Anne Frank and Michelle Obama. Remember her, Billie Jean King. She is a force to be reckoned with.
Seniors, become an MHS Alumni Association member today with the QR code on screen and help recognize amazing Oiler alumni. Your membership contribution helps raise money for outstanding Oiler scholarships that are non-GPA based.
Hey Oilers, I'm Mr. Rodriguez, the advisor for OilerTV, and this is
Citlali.
Hi Citlali. There are things that Citlali and I may not agree from one another, but there is one thing that I'm sure we both like, and that is Oreos. Do you like Oreos, Citlali?
I love Oreos.
Well, you're in luck, Citlali. Here I have the new Oreo Space Dunk flavor. I found this at the store last night, and this is the first time I'm going to be trying this flavor out, right? So I'm going to open one of these. So this is a flavor I haven't heard about. Would you like to try one?
Yeah.
I'll try one too.
Oh.
Very sweet.
That is really sweet.
That is so sweet.
Oh my
I
god.
was not expecting any of that.
I don't like it. A grandma cookie.
Yeah.
Oh my god, wait.
Oh,
Do you
is
feel
it?
like tingles?
It's popping, isn't it?
I feel tingles.
Oh my god, it's popping.
What the?
I truly believe that Oreos brings people together and happiness too. That is why ASB and OilerTV would like to invite you to bring your favorite batch of Oreo cookies to share with all your friends, and maybe even a new friend that may share the same love for Oreos as you do. This is happening on National Oreo Cookie Day on March 6th.
Come by S2 and S4 to vote on your favorite Oreo cookie flavor.
Let's eat Oreos, all nutrition and lunch. Don't forget, go Oreos. I mean, go Oilers.
Mr. Duarte wants to remind you, get real-time essential info about events, school reminders, and all the essential info that students need to know straight from your principal. Use the QR code on screen to join the group exclusively for students.
Hey Oilers, this is Ollie's update.
The Sadie Hawkins dance is back.
The Sadie's committee would like to let everyone know that Ollie's Carnival Craze is being moved from March 8th to March 15th. Once again, the theme for Sadie's will be
Carnival! There is no strict dress code for the event. However, couples and groups are encouraged to match in light of the Sadie's tradition.
The competition will be held for the cutest matching couple or group of friends. The first place prize will be 2 tickets to prom.
Second place will be awarded 2 $25 gift cards to any restaurant of their choice.
Hope to see you there.
Oilers, don't feel defeated by the life challenges that surround us. Download the Connected app for schools with the QR code on screen and join today by using the code MHS2100. Your well-being is a priority.
Hey Oilers, it's Edmund
And Shirley.
with the Oiler weather update. Looks like a beautiful week is coming up.
Tomorrow on Monday, we should have a nice warm day in the sun, and our weather will start at a low of 45 degrees, rising to 65 degrees later that afternoon.
Tuesday should stay consistent with just a bit of sunshine. We'll wake up to a low of 46 degrees, rising to a 67. Still a cool day.
On Wednesday, the sun will still shine beyond the clouds. We will have a low in the high 40s, rising to 67 degrees.
On Thursday, we'll wake up to a cool morning at 49 degrees, rising to 68 degrees that afternoon. Just in time for our boys volleyball. Varsity game at 4 here at home. Shout out to the boys in the court. Go support!
Friday will be partly cloudy, starting at 51 degrees, rising to 70 degrees.
On Saturday, we'll start the morning at 52 degrees, rising to our warmest this week at 72 degrees. Don't forget to spring forward!
On Sunday, we should expect low 50s in the morning, rising to 71 degrees. Perfect temperatures to finally start our daylight saving times again. Sleep earlier!
And get your hour of sleep back!
That was good.